All right, we are going to take a little look at what we found. The same big commercial, 7-inch commercial gutters, but that's one of the pieces we found. I mean, that is like this plant now has bark on it, so it's been up there for quite a while. Nice, healthy root system. Here's some more of it, and that was right over the downspout here. So then one of the problems, because these two spouts, that downspout right there you see in the distance, and this one right here, were totally obstructed. And here as well, some more debris. Yeah, it's a 4-foot plant, plenty to stop it. So as a result of the gutter being clogged and the downspout being totally clogged, this is a joint in the building right here. Looks like they did probably an addition, or maybe it's a joint for an expansion joint. So when the building moves, it has some movement to it. But you can see when you look down, it has actual plants growing. There's some mold where it's some fungus where it's growing up the raw poured slab footer. And then you look over here and you see 2-foot deep washout. See that hole right there is where the downspout should drain here, but that washout is from the overflow, from the gutter not functioning. So you have to be careful of this. You have to be careful that these gutters are maintained and cleaned out, especially on the backs. This is the back of a building, and it's a rental building, so the tenants really don't maintain it like they should until they have a problem like this, where you're getting water inside, you're having building degradation. So, you have to be careful of this. You have to maintain it once a year. You got trees all around. There's going to be debris going in those gutters regularly. So keep your eye on it. Give us a call.